Doing the usual.
Yeah, so a little bit shorter on the top.
Okay. You want the side shorter as well?
No.
This haircut's a little bit longer than the last one. Last guy was a 2 on the sides. Kyle wants a 4, so that's my longest clipper cut. Call that an executive contour. Instead of starting with a 3 3/4, we're using a larger blade. It's a 3/4 inch, which is the equivalent of a 6. Exact same process. This blade doesn't blend as cleanly as the 3 3/4, so next we're going to use the 3 3/4 and we'll hit this ledge to blend it a little bit better. So we got a little bit of hair here, we're going to have to kind of cut that. And again, we'll clean that up with the 3 3/4 here in a minute. You can see the blade's not nearly as clean. 3 3/4. Again, we're rolling off the head and kind of sculpting that V shape. Finish with the 2, keeping it really low. And we're going to do just a little tiny bit of clipper over comb on this haircut with the 2. And using the corner of the blade, going around the ear. And hit that sideburn. And that right there. And we're going to hit this ledge with a little bit of clipper over comb. Trimmers, we're going to edge early. Adjustable blade on the neck taper. I'm going to take the adjustable blade to about half. We're going to do a little bit more clipper over comb. Again, first time dusting. Gonna wet the top. Do a little blending on this side. And taking as few strokes with the scissors as we can. Usually it's 2 per lift. A V shape, that hard corner. Kyle always comes in with product in his hair, so we're not going to add any more to it. Let me shoot you with some air. All set. Again, it's real important to have a process for everything that you do. If you'll do the same thing every time, you'll be a lot more efficient. Same thing, same order, same amount of time. The spray we use has a 30-second contact time. So after you spray your clippers, 30 seconds later, you're ready to do your next haircut. This product has a 2-minute contact time. So if you use this, you'll be ready for your next haircut after you sweep. If you're using clipper side, Cool Care, or other products, they have a 10-minute contact time. Most barbers don't wait 10 minutes before they use them. So they're using unsanitized clippers and blades. So these two blades are actually animal blades. You can find them on eBay. 3/4 inch HT and a 5/8 inch HT. The only reason I have them, and they're very expensive, is because I do a lot of executive contours, so I use them quite a bit. So we're on to the next one. These are those haircuts. Took about 20 minutes or so, 3 or 4 minutes to clean up, and we're ready for the next one.